Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at an often overlooked, but absolutely crucial component for anyone relying on Lumens visualizers. The GizMac AC power cord cable plug, specifically designed for models like the PS400, PS550, and PS600. This isn't just any power cable. It's a purpose-built solution that ensures your valuable presentation equipment receives the stable and reliable power it needs to perform flawlessly. When considering a power cord for professional-grade equipment, details matter, and the GizMac cord certainly delivers. It operates at a robust 240 volts, which is essential for many international setups or specific power requirements, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance for the Lumens visualizers it supports. The construction speaks volumes about its reliability, featuring 3 conductors. This design is a standard for safety and efficient power delivery, providing a grounded connection that protects both the user and the sensitive electronics of the visualizer from potential electrical issues. One of the practical aspects users will immediately appreciate is its generous length. Measuring a full 60 inches, or 5 feet, this cable offers considerable flexibility in setting up your Lumens document camera or projector presenter. No longer will one be constrained by awkwardly short cords, forcing equipment into inconvenient positions. This extra reach allows for more organized workspaces and easier access to power outlets, which is a significant convenience in classrooms, conference rooms, or any presentation environment. Despite its specific application, the GizMac cord maintains a straightforward design with a single power outlet. This simplicity is a strength, as it means less clutter and a direct, dedicated power path for your Lumens device. It's engineered to be a direct replacement or a reliable spare, ensuring that presentations and visual demonstrations can proceed without interruption due to power issues. The brand, GizMac, has a reputation for producing dependable accessories, and this power cord appears to uphold that standard, offering peace of mind that one is investing in a quality product. For anyone who frequently uses their Lumens PS400, PS550, or PS600, having a reliable power source like this GizMac cable is not just a convenience, but a necessity for consistent, high-quality operation. It's the kind of accessory that quietly does its job, allowing the main equipment to shine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.